I know rose care and pruning can seem intimidating at first. Chances are you feel this way too. With practice, you will become more confident and skilled and be able to trim your roses and encourage bountiful blossoms without concerns. Here are some general tips to help. First and overall, remember, roses are forgiving. It will grow back, and if it grows the wrong way, cut it and try again. Secondly, cane growth tends to go the direction of the top bud. If you are concerned about how much height to cut, simply prune to the height you want the plant to be. Another great tip is to get your own system. Many will start at the bottom and work upward. Let's look at some more tips. Use your pruning time to also observe for disease or insects which may harm the plant. Also, do not worry if the cut cane bleeds. There is no evidence to show that it is harmful to roses. When pruning, do not be scared to cut. You typically remove about 1/3 to 1/2 of the volume of the plant, leaving healthy canes and the center of the plant open. Don't worry, pruning promotes blooms. Also, step back and observe as you prune the rose. Periodically observe the plant's shape and overall health as you prune. This will help you make informed decisions about which branches to remove. Overall, this program has provided you a review of rose pruning to help guide you about rose care and to build your confidence to care for roses. Practice makes perfect! Learning this skill is a great way to encourage blossoms and keep your roses healthy and happy. To help improve your skills, observe the plants, research, share ideas, and practice pruning when possible. Most importantly, this program has given you a basic understanding of rose care and rose pruning that will enable you to keep your roses happy, healthy, and full of blooms. Thank you for taking this program.